Hello, children. I hope you all are fine and good. Okay, so today we will start a new topic. Before starting that topic, I want to ask a question that what we drink when we feel thirsty or feel to drink like something. Okay, water. Okay, so in today's chapter, we will read about water we drink. Okay. So first of all, we will learn about that what are the three forms of water that water can take: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, when the water is in the form of ice, it is called solid, and when the water is in form of liquid, it is called water. And then when it is in the form of vapor, it is called gas. Okay, now moving ahead to next slide. All living things need water for survival, as we people are also a living thing. So all living things need water for their survival. Plants and animals and human beings all needs water for their survival. Okay, so here are some sources of water from where we can get water. First of all, the natural source of water is rainwater. Okay, and that is called the groundwater also. During the rains, some water seeps into the ground, which is called the groundwater or underground water. Okay, next one is surface water. Surface water is the water above the ground. This is the underground water, and this one is the water which is above the ground, which we can say that this is the streams also. Okay. Next, now what are the uses of water? Some uses of water. We use water for various things in our daily life. Uses of water are, first of all, we use water for drinking, then washing our hands, brushing our teeth, for bathing, for cooking, for watering plants. There are so many things in which we use water. Okay, so drinking water, washing hands, brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, and watering plants also. Okay, so by doing these all these activities, sometimes the water get polluted also. So we can purify water at home. Okay, sometimes we get polluted water from the tap also. Okay, so then we how can we purify that particular water, which are the steps in which we can filter the water is filtration, adding chlorine tablets into it by boiling it. We can follow these three steps for purification of water, which is filtration, adding chlorine tablets by boiling it. उसको boil करके then we can use this water for drinking and other purpose. Now as you all know that water is very precious thing to us, so then we have to conserve it, we have to save it also. So when we are using our tap, we turn off the tap when brushing our teeth. We all are a habit to just turn on the tap and do our brushes, but there we need to turn off the tap while brushing the teeth. Capture rainwater to water plants. We have to keep some rainwater in drums and other storage, and then it will be used for watering the plants. Shorten your showers time. It means while taking the showers, you can uh, take it only for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, not more than 5 minutes. Then only wash full loads of laundry. When you collect so much of clothes, then only use the machines and for washing your clothes. Instead of running the tap until your water cools, keep a bottle of drinking water in the fridge. If you are taking the help of water filter or water cooler, you can instead of that you can use the fridge water for drinking. Okay, thank you children. I That's all for the topic for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you will follow how to save the water and all the instruction given by me. Thank you.